Hello guys, this will be a quick one regarding my F150. This is a Super Crew Cab 2013, but this will apply from 2009 to 2014. For the model before that and after that, I don't know, I'm not sure, I don't know how it's made, but I'm sure they will have the same problem. It starts by giving me the signal even if this door was closed, probably closed, giving me the signal in the dash that the door wasn't closed. And since it detects that the door wasn't closed, the dome light, this light there, wasn't turning off, or it was staying on like 15 minutes or something like that by default. So of course, doing that day after day after day, the battery died, and I put that on a smart charger because I use my electric car to go at work, so my F150 doesn't move much these days. So anyway, my battery is completely dead, so I bought a new one. But before installing my new battery, I want to find that problem because I don't want to ruin my new battery. So some people say spray WD-40 and Striker. That's bullshit. These doors have been open, like it's a 2013, it's 11 years old now. The door have been open like 1,000 times, so of course it will be a matter of wiring. So it didn't take long. I removed that rubber thing here on the door side. It's pretty good covered, but I don't know, I will have to see. So I didn't see much, but when I removed this side, I saw straight away that one wire is broken, the other one is about two, and I have another problem. My keyboard to unlock the door doesn't work anymore. I can lock the truck by, I know every Ford owner, you know that holding the two last button will lock the truck, but I cannot unlock it even with the master code because I'm pretty sure, I didn't even check yet, but I'm pretty sure I have a wire broken in there somewhere. So for now I won't bother to touch that, but I will fix this. I won't record all the process because you said that it's pretty messy. I tried to, you know, remove the wire or fix it, or I don't know. I will do that. What I will do, I will update you after it will be fixed, and I will explain to you how I did it. So stay tuned for the following parts. Okay guys, quick update. It's been about just a minute or so. So to take this plastic piece out of the body of the truck, you have a pin on this side and a pin on the other side. So you push that, it get out, and from what I can see, obviously it doesn't move on this side, but all the wiring is good. So at least I only have these two wires to take care of. Okay guys, update, I'm done. I haven't been able to put back the wire in the connector like it was before because I practically ruined the tab in the connector while trying to remove it. So what I did, I bypassed the connector and I put a separate connector. I will show you, will be easier than saying connector 10 times. Okay, so what I did, because this is the wire that was broken, so I cut the other hand and I have room in that piece here. So what I did, I connect or solder this piece of wire at the other hand, and I have a connector here, so if I want to remove the door or anything like that, I will be able to. So now I will put tape on it, and I will show you that it worked. I just tried it. It was working, so I make sure before starting recording again so I don't lose your time. So now I will pause this thing for a second. I will finalize the installation, put tape in there so it doesn't touch anywhere. I will stuff it here in between the connector and the housing. I will put back the rubber again over it. And the other wire that was cracked, the wire was good, but the skin was cracked, so I just put electrical tape on it and put it very tight, so now it should not move, so I should avoid the problem. But if problem happen in the future, I will know where to look at, but I doubt that it will move now, tape that tight. So now I will finalize that and I will come back to you in a second. Okay guys, update before finalizing that thing. I took this thing back out because it's practically impossible to put the rubber boot back on when it's in its place. So now that I reinstalled the rubber boots, I can push on it. Now it's tight, so I will close the door. So there's a detail I forgot to mention, that it's not the first time I do that. When I have problem, I forget to record the problem to have a proof that there was a problem before. So I swear there was a problem. The dome light was, anyway, you saw the wire, the broken wire. There was a problem. The dome light was staying light on, and I had the marking when the key was on that the rear passenger left rear door was open. So I will start the truck. I just reinstalled a new battery for testing all these things. So now that you can see, I'll turn off the radio. You can see that through the dust that the driver and the rear left door are open. So I will put my arm through the door so you can see it. Driver, low tire pressures because I don't have sensors in these wheels. Now I just closed the driver door, and as you can see, the dome light still open, the rear left door still open. I want to just make sure that I have nothing in the door jam that can be broke. No. So now I will put the camera back in the dash, and I will close the door, and you'll see the problem will disappear. There you go. The door is closed and the dome light is turned off. So again, sorry guys that I forgot to show you the problem before. And the thing is, the battery that was in the truck was dead. So there's a fucking loud car going. Sorry about that. So yeah, the previous battery was dead. That's the reason why I could not show you, and I didn't want to install my brand new battery in the truck if that was not the problem, and remove it because I didn't want it to go bad. So this is it, and as you can see, my wiring doesn't show through here, but if you have problem with door signal staying open, the dome light, as you can see, I just opened the door, so the dome light is open. If you have problem like that, there's a lot of bullshit videos saying that you just put some WD-40 in the striker or in the latch and it fixes the problem. Maybe it will fix the problem if the truck is parked like 6 months without moving. Maybe the switch is jammed or something. But before I buy my new car, my truck was my daily drive, so it wasn't parked, nothing was jammed, nothing was stuck, so I knew it was not a problem. And I found out that guy on YouTube that has similar problem on another vehicle, so I decided to have a look there, and it was, the problem was right there, was 1.5 wires broken. So this is it for now guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.